Survival log. It's been a few days since my last update. Things have gone from bad to worse in my investigation into Sam's death. Apparently she's been working on some kind of cure for a virus. Not too sure why that is, given that she works with robots primarily. But yeah, there's that. So we're still investigating that. Not only that, but there's also been an alien architect downloaded into my brain. Care to comment, Alan? Alan? Okay, guess not. Anyway, I've improved my base situation, hoping to get more efficiency. We now have quite a few plants hanging around that we can eat from. I've moved everything from the pod to our base location here. We're going to be surviving. We need two things. One, we need to figure out the water situation. And two, today I want to go and explore the pilot's last known position. And that was that person who jumped on us at Delta Base a few days ago. I can't let it go. She's the only other person I've run across on this island, and who knows, maybe island on this planet. Who knows, maybe she knows something about Sam that could help me find out what actually happened to her. So yeah, there's that. But also, we need water. We need a way of making water. And the bladderfish, I feel like if we just keep calling their existence here on this planet, they're going to become scarce. So what we need is this right here. And what that is aerogel. Now, I have found some gel sacks, which are one of the components we need. And I've also started a small farm out here, things that I'm able to grow. So I got some creepvine going here, and I can harvest up the creepvine and the seeds for lubricant anytime. These are the gel sacks, and I found them just below where I am now. I'll likely have to go back down there because I believe I saw some diamonds, which would be very useful. These plants, they don't really have a use, but they let me harvest them. So I guess they're just decorational. We all know what these are, so now I have a way of making batteries that are pretty much endless as long as I can get copper. I did not know about these until I hit them with my knife. You can see right there that I just got some food from them. Now they actually do pretty good food, but it's not a lot to sustain you. So we'll replant that right there. Alright. So yeah, that's basically what I've gotten done around. The base still has a lot of work to do to it, but I'm comfortable with where it is now. We've got a nice sustainable food source. I've got one plant there, about 8 up there, and I've got 2 more growing in here. So what I want to do now is head that way, and hopefully in the process of exploring around down there we can find some rubies. That would be amazing. Don't know if it's going to happen, but something I want to do before that is get that mobile vehicle bay made. I would love to get a sea truck. So that's what we're going to do first things first. Alright. And done. Mobile vehicle bay. Oh, that's pretty big. Should be in water to deploy a vehicle bay. Alright. Let's get outside. So, obviously, like, you can't build a truck. Oh, okay, release mobile vehicle bay. Where's it going? I feel like inflatables on the bottom. It's gonna rise all the way to the surface. So I didn't think that you could build a sea truck and like just deploy it outside. So I guess this is where you build it at. Oh, it's lightning out here. We need to be careful. That's just a little dock over there. Alright. Yep, there it is. Vehicles. Oh look, the prawn suit's in here too, but we haven't learned it all yet. What are these modules? Okay, sea truck storage and fabricator module, more ingredients needed. Okay, so the only thing we can do is this. Powershell. That's different than the batteries. So we need another titanium ingot, an advanced wiring kit, and glass. Alright, let's go ahead and pin that. That's what we need to make. And we need to get the other thing off of our inventory. Alright. So I've come down here once already. And it wasn't too good last time I was down here, but we're going to need more diamond too. And I'm hoping there's a little bit of quartz down here. Oh, brother. Yep, I don't like you. So that's like some kind of squid thing down there, guys. He's not a very friendly person. Stay over there. Leave me alone. Oh, there's diamond right there. That's what we need. We're working two things at once here, I know. There is a good look at him right there. He's not a very friendly person. That's a different fish. Can I catch him? My inventory full. Got him.
New creature discovered.
Put that in our tank. Trying to catch every type of fish and put them in a tank. Okay. We're almost done with that. If we can find a couple more of those, that'll be perfect. What is this thing? I'm not seeing too many quartz, guys. Fortunately. There's a diamond right there. Lots of diamonds on here, so we're definitely in a good area for that. We've already got a lot of gel sacks, which is what we need for that aerogel, so we can actually grow that. That's really cool. Alright, our inventory is full now though, so we definitely have to head back. Oh goodness. Yep. Alright, let's head back. We'll probably have to come back out for quartz again. There we go. Our sea truck depth upgrade. We don't even have the sea truck yet, but hey, we have the depth upgrade. Good to go. We're gonna need one of these.
Use beacons to mark traverse territory. Show or hide the signals of your choice with your Xenoworks PDA.
Alright, so we've gotten everything we need. We're now going to make our sea truck. We already made our upgrade module 2, which is going to be nice, so we'll be able to go deeper. Oh, I'm excited for this. Are you guys excited for this?
Fluid intake immediately.
Yes, for this I will. Why I called you Phyllis Computer, I do not know, but okay. Alright, sea truck! That's cool. Hell yes. Alright, let's get inside this thing. I got full oxygen. I'm ready to go. Alright. Oh. My oxygen came back up. Yes! This is perfect. It's got life support on it. Yeah. Oh. Woo. Okay, so it kind of controls like I'm swimming, but it is way faster. Alright. How do we... So it's only got... What is that, a max depth of 150? I can swim way deeper than that. Like, I'm at 100 right now. I can only go another 50 meters down. That's not deep at all. Alright, so I'm glad I made that upgrade for it then. We'll go ahead and put that on right now. Okay. How... What's this? Okay, so that's a power cell I made. What's this one? Also power cell. I only made one power cell. How come I got two? Access upgrades, okay. Where's my upgrade? There it is. Crush depth is now 300 meters. Okay. Yep, 300 meters at the top. That's nice. So that's up to 300 meters that I can take this thing down to and come back and get air from. Alright. Oh, this is pretty. Lots of crystal here. I like this place actually. Dang, I wish I'd have found this before I built one base. This place is really awesome. Whoa, what's all that down there? So on our way to the pilot's last known location, we came across this new biome. Well, it turns out in this biome there is quite a bit of quartz and lithium. So I took the time to gather up as much as I could and continued on. Anything else over here you need to scan at all? Ah, I knew there was one more. Yeah, I know what you are. I see you. That's one of them damn cave fish. They like to blow up on you? The suicidal ones? Alright, let's keep moving. Let's get down to that pilot. Alright, up and over, huh? Alright, this is her last known position. She went down. It's a sea monkey nest. What is that they got there? Well, only one way to find out. Afterburner upgrade. Need two of those. This is for the sea truck. Ruby! We need Ruby! Oh. What are you? A sea monkey. Aw. Kinda cute looking. Huh. Oh. Is that your nest? Oh, this is your nest. There's a sea monkey nest, right? Oh. Hi. That's Ruby. We needed that. We need to keep an eye out for more of those. We need a lot. So essentially the same thing. I'm on my way looking around for Margaret. I still haven't found her. But there's a lot of rubies here, so I started picking up as much as I could. I'm scanning things that these sea monkeys have stolen and putting in their nest. I'm just grabbing everything I can while I'm out here. I guess I already learned that. That's a light. See the light? Alright, I think we're in the right location. Keep following this down. There are lights everywhere leading down here.
Didn't I tell you to stay away?
From what? I don't even know who you are.
Marguerite Maida's the name. You're on my turf.
Great. Can I come in and warm up?
What part of go away do you not understand, Altera?
I'm not with Altera.
Alright, well, we can't get our sea truck down there any further. So we're going the rest of the way on foot. We've reached her land. This is where she is. Margaret. Okay. Margaret, I hope you don't mind, but I want to come check out. Ooh, Margaret. Nice setup. Way down in here deep. Alright. Where's your way in, Margaret? Air there. What? Okay. Sweet. Oh, a ladder. Yeah, this is scanning. Moon pool. Oh. Is that the room? Yeah! Learned how to make a moon pool. Customized prawn suit. Can I take your prawn suit, Margaret? Can I borrow it for a little bit? That looks like fun. I need a weapon. Alright, Margaret? Hello? Margaret? Oh, Jesus! Okay, nice, doggy.
I told you to stay off my land.
You trained that thing?
Next time I'll let him tear you to ribbons, Altera.
I'm not with Altera. I'm Robin Ayu. I'm looking for information about my sister Sam. I think you might have crossed paths.
Bull crap. I suggest you take the time you need to come to your senses and then get off my sea base. If you're not Altera, why don't you disable that damn tracking satellite tower instead of barging into my sea base? Maybe once Altera's off my back, I'll remember something about your sister. There's some junk on that table that might help. I couldn't get it to work.
Okay. Hey, I'm not Alteran, by the way. You know, you can... Alright, I'll leave her alone. Where's living space, you guys? I like that. I want that with me. What is this thing? That's cool looking. There's a lot of stuff to scan in here. Large room, glass dome. I am down for that. I would love to build that in my base. Let's see, okay. Test override module or fragment. So she's talking about the radio tower, right? It's tracking us, that's right. Okay, so I have to override its thing or something? Alright, well, we want her to trust us. She's the only one here. Oh. Okay.
That far out to sea, swimming back for land wasn't an option. I'd die from exhaustion long before I made it to shore. All I could do was survive long enough to wash up somewhere. I felt a suction, and suddenly there were vast jaws rising out of the water towards me. It had taken hours for the Reaper's corpse to float to the surface. Using the knife, I clambered up her flank and got a perch on top. I figured she'd float for a few days at least, enough for me to catch my breath. But would she sink before or after I died of thirst? I had a knife, a repair tool, and 3 liters of water. At least I wasn't gonna die of exhaustion. Now, those Reapers, they're practically all muscle, but there's some fat in there. I was able to keep warm and drink the water. And I didn't have much, but I had that repair tool, so I had a spark. It took a week to light that first fire. And I know more about the burning properties of Reaper fat than I ever cared to. I had to ration fires, but as they burned, I could smoke meat that I carved out of the beast's rib cage.
Okay, Margaret. Sound like a bit of a badass, alright? Okay. Definitely want you to be friendly with me, so, I'll see what we can do about that test override, kid. Thank you for letting me live, I guess. Okay, bye. There's more of the squid monster thing, so what?
Detecting bow of an astronautical salt transport vessel nearby. Vessel name Mercury II. Inoperative.
We found the bow of a crashed ship? You serious? Right outside of Margaret's place. Wow. This is cool. Crazy looking, but cool. Can I get inside this thing? Wait, the Mercury II. I have a painting of this, or a poster hanging in my area, in my base. Whoa. This is crazy. Oh. Where's the way in? Is there a way in? Man, I hope there's a way inside this thing. I really want to explore it. very front of it. So is there more pieces of it somewhere? Mercury II. Oh, right there, right there. There's a hole. A doorway. Alright, let's point our lights in there. Let's do it. I feel like we should probably drop some of this titanium or drink some more water. Yeah, I'm gonna drop the titanium too. Sealed door. PDA. Sealed crate. Nuclear reactor, holy crap. Air here shortly. There's another way in right there. Cut open the case. Alright, we're missing something
Warning. 30 seconds of oxygen remaining.
here. Alright, we do need to get out of here though. Let's go back. Cutting tool. What cutting tool?
Oxygen.
I'm missing something. Laser cutter. I need 2 more fragments before I can learn it. Alright. Back to base. It's another piece of it.
Detecting stern of an astronautical salt transport vessel nearby. Vessel name, Mercury II. Inoperative.
Well then, okay. Well, we're not going to go inside this thing because it's going to need laser cutter tools. We're definitely got to wait. Well, let's go have a sleep. We've been up for about 2 days now. I'm exhausted. It's time to sleep. Before we do, sit here for a minute. We got a lot done today. I'm very pleased with our progress. We finally ran into Margaret, went and cleared up some feathers, so I want her to be our friend. So we're definitely going to try and take care of that satellite that's been watching us, I guess. I guess I need to go back to Delta Station and do something to the radio tower. I don't know. But also on the way home, we ran across the Mercury II. The Mercury II, and I do have a poster of it. It's right there, the Mercury II, right there. That's what it looks like. So we found the front end, and it looked like a bit of the back. So it crashed on this planet at some point? I don't know. That's insane. But we need a laser cutter tool in order to cut into some of the things. It's like all been corroded over and locked and sealed. So that's definitely something I want to explore. I want to see if they have any stuff on there I can use. So we're definitely going to get a laser cutter tool and go back, but not today. Oh, I'm tired. Alright, reflecting is done. I'm done. I focused. It's my field. Yes, this is all me. I'm doing this, and one thing at a time. That's a problem. I get sidetracked a lot. Alright. Good night. Let's call this one Base Alpha. Let's go with the motif here on the planet, where all the Alteran bases are named like that. So whenever I leave, it will be, you know, as if nobody's ever here.